Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and please turn on your post notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, you are sweet, you are precious, you are dear to me. Thank you for tuning in to watch another video. Please make sure you also like this video and comment below what you think about this video. And without further ado, let's dive right into what we're here today for. So guys, today's video I'll be teaching you how to insert a contact lens. This video is highly requested and I've been trying to shy away from not doing it because I don't know, but yeah, I finally made up my mind to teach all those who have been asking how to insert or wear a contact lens. It's not my first time inserting a contact lens, and the first time I did, I think I did it my way. That is what I'm about to teach you guys. So if you love this video, if you think it was helpful, if you think it was needful, please make sure you like this video, please thumbs it up and comment. So yeah, let's move. So today's video I'll be showing you guys my contact lens, and this is the Fresh Look contact lens, and it comes in this very beautiful box, and it says at the back everything starts from your eyes. I don't know if you can see that right here. Everything starts from your eyes, and this is the Fresh Look color blends contact lens, soft cosmetic lens. Yes, and yeah, let's just open up the box. So it comes in this box like this, and you open the box, yes, and you see the whole set, the whole everything. I don't know, I think this box is really cute, and you can actually travel with this because it's very flat. It won't cost any extra load. You can actually travel with this. It's a move around box, okay? You can enter absolutely anything and everything. It comes like this, and here we have our solution. This is the contact lens solution, and the solution is used to store or preserve the lens after it's out of the container, whatever it is. Use it to preserve the lens. And this compartment houses the eye drop for after inserting your lens and it still hurts or it still pokes you. You can just use the eye drop to calm the pain down. Here in this box we have a picker and an applicator. So this is a picker to pick the lens out of the storage container and maybe onto the back of your palm, like I'll always do. And the applicator is to, like, it has this really nice round something that has the shape of the contact lens actually. So you use the applicator to pick the contact lens from the back of your palm and insert it into your eyes. So this is what these two things are used for. Yeah, we also have these containers here. The contact lens came in this container, and okay, the color for this contact lens is blue. This is the color of the lens. This is the container, like the first container it came in, and this container is sealed, but as you can see, I've torn out the seal because I have used the lens before. Yeah, I think I'm wrapping. Am I wrapping? Oh my god. Okay, now we have this compartment. There's the final storage thing you need, because this is where the contact lens will be housed. Actually, this is where it will be housed, and on this thing we have the right lid and the left lid. So this is for the right eyes and this is for the left eye. And why this is done is because whenever you insert your lenses and it's time to take it off, you actually take out the one that has the right eye lens and put it into the right eye storage, because the right hand storage, because You don't want to infect the two eyes. Like, you keep interchanging everything may kind of infect your eyes and cause irritation. Yeah, so this is a beginners friendly for all those who have been asking how to wear lenses. And yeah, so this video is actually dedicated to all beginners who haven't wore or tested a contact lens before, and actually the ones who have but also want to learn other methods of application. That is all in this cute box, and it has different compartments that houses everything. You can actually organize this all the time. Okay, okay guys, yeah, so to start you must wash your hands, make sure you have a clean pan, and then you open the casing. Like I said earlier, I have used this lens before, so it's in its permanent casing now. So I use the picker to pick the, I think I opened the left lid, that's the left hand side. So I pick out the contact lens and put it at the back of my palm. I see that it's easy for me to apply and pick it up with the back of, from the back of my palm with the applicator. So now I use the applicator to finally take the lens into my eyes. And the thing that I do, I like to leave it on my waterline, like open my eye, leave it around the waterline area. Then with the other hand I lift up the eye, and it goes in just like as you've seen. So it has successfully gone in. So if you enjoyed this video so far, what are you waiting for? Please like, thumbs up this video, okay? Yeah, so for the second eye, which is the right eye, we just do the same method, and that is what it is.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride.
It's definitely okay for you to roll your eyes so that the lenses sit properly and everything is well set, so you don't keep itching. So right now I am applying the eye drop to calm the pain and the itching on the eye. Yeah, so that's about it. Like this video and comment down below, let me know what you think.
Walking down lines like you wanna go higher. I love it, love it, love it, love it. You wanna go, how about you dim the light? They're going real far, you must have been tired. I love it, love it, love it, love it.
Well guys, we've gotten to the end of this video. This is what the lenses look like on me. It's so cute. You see, this color is, so this is what it looks like. And if you want to see how I take it off, comment below. Let me show you how I take these lenses off, because this video has to be 2 segments, so you need to comment that you want to see how I take off the lenses, and I will sure film that for you. Yeah, enjoy your cute lenses, rock them to a party, to school, to anywhere, and you'll be looking so astounding and gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if the steps and tutorials were helpful, and if you're new, please, I beg you one more time, subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, and with that all said, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Could be a dream, sweetheart.